China is a friend. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Hindi mo naman mapaalis dyan, except to go to war. We are not, I said, Filipinos ready for that. In the fullness of God's time, maybe we will have an interesting arrangement there. But it would depend on the people of China, how far they would go. But we are asking for the minimum. Kaya nga, while we were looking at the evolving threat dito na sa ano, nawala tayo, then suddenly, the islands, the clusters of islands are full of military batteries. Battery is actually the arms.
Okay. Pros, cos, UNTV.
Hi sir, good evening po
Good
sir.
evening.